TV store, I mean,
Interview the TV guys? The T-Mobile guys, you mean?
yeah, I mean those guys. And to see what they're doing with their cell phones.
See what they're doing with their cell phones? Okay.
Okay.
Good deal. You do really good interviews, by the way.
Did you call the interviewers to interview everything?
Yeah, we call them interviewers. That's what you are. You're an interviewer.
Yeah, I interview stuff.
That's right. I bet you can interview pretty much anybody you want to. You just have to ask them nicely.
I interview everything, not anybody. Just
everybody. You just find somebody you like their looks, and you ask them if you can interview them, and you can ask them a few questions.
Hold on a second. Let me move something around of ours. Here, you can have this. It's a transporter.
Thanks.
Be easy with it. You might break it. It's really fragile. Drop it, it might. It's a power one with powers. Be careful with it. It's really fragile. No, I'll need it for a couple of days. Let's try something to step on. There's all these tiles I need to step on. Step on the tiles in the correct order.
Step on the tiles in the correct order. So you turn off while you go on.
And then kick. Okay, kick like I did.
Yep, okay, take a left.
I want to interview them.
You want to interview the kids?
Yeah. Hey, I got an interview camera. So I'll interview you guys.
He's doing interviews today.